How to create a macro on Zendesk. For that purpose, head over to your Zendesk dashboard and go over to your admin settings. And once you're into the admin settings, click on Go to Admin Center. Now, onto your admin center, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to your workspace. And onto your workspace, you're going to click on Macros. While you're into the macros, you're going to wait for it to load and click on Add Macro. As of now, we have two active macros, which is to downgrade and inform customer not responding. Now click on Add Macro. Here you're going to enter a macro name. Let's just say I waiting for a reply is my macro. And then you can enter an optional description. And then you can select who do you want this to be available for. Agents in the group, for me only. For me, I'll select all agents. And then you're going to click on actions. Actions are these automations that you can add a comment to the ticket or update the ticket's field views. I'll click on add action here. Let's just say the first action I want to add in is I want to set subject, right? So here is a subject that I want to set that up. And then I want to add another action, which is for me to set tags. And in case of tags, let me just comment down one and then description. And once I'm done adding all the actions that I need onto my specific macro, what I'm going to do is simply click on create. And once I click on create, then my macro has been successfully created. This is it, guys. This is a super easy way for you to add in a macro on zen.desk.com.